Hello everyone, in this video I will show you an easy way to keep your files and documents safe, and no matter what happens to your computer you still have a copy of your files. Using this way enables you to restore the original file after you did many changes to it. So let me create a Word document to show you what I mean. Of course, this applies to Excel sheet, PowerPoint slides as well. As you see, I have a template with some text inside it. So let's go to File menu, then click Save. And as you see, we have different places. This PC means you can save it on this PC, and we have OneDrive. Also, we have Add a Place. If you click Add a Place, you will see OneDrive and OneDrive for Business. OneDrive is free, and OneDrive for Business you have to pay for it. I'll click on OneDrive and use my personal account, which is siafortech@outlook.com. Everybody can get a free one like this, and click next and put the password and click sign in. After you sign it successfully, you will see your account, OneDrive personal, and you see different folder like desktop and documents. Now if I double click desktop, I can save the file on the desktop on my OneDrive. So I can give it a name and then click save. If you notice on the right corner up, you will see your profile name, and on the left side you will see the save icon with the sync icon next to it, which means it saves every second your changes. So now if I want to delete a part of the text inside my Word document to show you how to restore it after I save the changes. So let me delete this and then click save, and even you don't need to click the save and then close the document. Now, if I want to open the document again, it is not on my computer desktop, so I have to go to my OneDrive personal and go to the desktop folder. So let me open Microsoft Word again, and then go to open, and then go to OneDrive, then choose desktop folder, and then I will choose my file, my test file. As you see, it saved the changes and the text has disappeared because I have deleted. Now how to retrieve the original file? So let me close the Word file and then open any browser, Microsoft Edge, and then write onedrive.com. After loading the page, click on sign in on the right corner and provide the same email address you use it inside the MS Office Word, and then click next and provide the password and click sign in. After you signed in successfully, go for the desktop folder and find the file my test file, which we deleted some text inside it. On the right hand you will see three dots. Click on this and then click on the version history. After loading the file, on the right hand you will see older version. Because I didn't do many changes, I only see one version, so click on this and it will load and show you that version which is saved on that date and time. As you see, my text is available, and if I want to restore, I can click restore and it will save it to the original file. But if you want a copy of this version, you can click download. Here I will click restore in order to apply the changes for the original file. After restoring the file, I don't need it anymore, so close everything down, then open Microsoft Word again, and let's see what happened to our file. Now I will click open and go to my OneDrive and then choose desktop folder, and as you see, my test file is there. If I click it, as you see, the file came back to the original and our text is restored. So this is how to restore your files after doing changes on it. I hope this video was useful for everybody. See you in my next video.